Hello and welcome to Sapthora. I am Kumar and in this video you will learn a portrait drawing and shading using soft pastels. So let's start. After drawing guidelines, first define shape of skull and always observe your subject or reference image keenly and take measurements according to that. As you can see on reference, I have shown basic guidelines on that. Remember to always use your pencil very light and with a rapid movement for initial sketch. Once a basic drawing is done, then we'll dark our contours line. Now we define features and then we'll add more details. You know that this portrait is very famous and titled as Girl with a Pearl Earring and painted by Dutch Golden Age painter Artist Johannes Vermeer. The medium he used is oil on canvas, but here we are using soft pastels on paper. Drawing is almost complete. Now I'm using soft pastel and first mark contours and shades for suggestion so that we understand a light source. Now here I have chosen color scheme for face. First I'm using a middle tone and see I always prefer to choose a middle tone. It helps to bring the light and shade. Now I'm defining the shadows for just a light shade. It always preferable to define the shadow first so that we understand how to balance our values of shades. Then I'm defining a dark tone so that we understand the contrast of the light and shade of the portrait. Now we blend all them together and see, this is to learn and observe that how I am applying my color and then blending them. So soft pastel are very light and so not to apply much pressure, just use your hand very lightly to blend the color. You can also use cotton or paper for blending. Now applying more dark tone to get intense color tone and contrast. Now we'll color drapery. Here again I'm using a middle tone. As you can see on reference. Then after that we'll use dark tone for shadow. Here we are marking highlight for our drapery. As we have already marked a middle tone and dark tones, and here I'm using blue to balance all the color. And now a dark tone for the background and to blend them along with the drapery. See, this is to learn that when we color or shade our main subject, we need to balance the background simultaneously so that we adjust the color value accordingly. Now here I have chosen 4 colors for the cloth. Here I have taken a deep yellow or yellow ochre, but we blend it with a grey to reach the desired tone. And this is also thing to understand that how we blend color together to create a new tone. Now we balance the tone of our face, applying just few suggestive tones, and after this we'll mark highlights. And always remember to mark highlights at last. And it's done. So to learn more, join our online academy sapthora.com and book your free demo now.